The souls from everywhere have arrived here. Even the double foreigners claim a good chance in every turn. Okay, so the Pandavas are no less in this group too. So, Pandavas, raise your hands. Raise your hands. Okay, mothers, you raise your hands now. Kumaris, you raise your hand. So, teachers, also raise your hands. So, in the first group, there were a lot of mothers, but in this group, Pandavas have also raised very well. So, the intoxication and faith of the Pandavas are remembered even today. What has been remembered? Do you know? There were just 5 Pandavas, but on the basis of their intoxication and faith, they became victorious. They became victorious. There is still this praise today. Are you such Pandavas? Are you? Do you have this intoxication that you are such Pandavas? So when you Pandavas hear that you are Pandavas, then you don't forget the father of Pandavas, Pandavpati. Do you forget? Do you sometime forget? So Pandav and Pandavpati. So Pandavs can never forget Pandavpati. They cannot forget Pandavpati. Pandavas should have this intoxication that we are Pandavas of every cycle, the ones who are loved by Pandavpati. So in the memorials too, the name of the Pandavas is no less. So the title of the Pandavas is Victorious Pandavas. So are you such Pandavas? We are victorious Pandavas, not just Pandavas, but victorious Pandavas. So victory, the imperishable tilak of victory is already applied on your foreheads. So what intoxication do you mothers have? You have a lot of intoxication. So you mothers say with intoxication that Baba has come for us. It is like this, is it not? So this is because for a half a cycle, mothers have not been given any status. And now at the confluence age, even in politics, mothers have been given rights. In every department, the father has placed you Shaktis in the front. And so in the world too. So in every profession, mothers now have rights. There isn't a profession in which there are not any women. So this is the status of the confluence age. So you mothers feel our Baba. You feel? Do you feel my Baba? Do you have this intoxication? So mothers are waving their hands. It is very good. So you have made God belong to you. And so it is the mothers who are the magicians. So Babdada sees that the mothers and the Pandavas, they love Babdada in all relationships. They love Baba in all relationships, but he also sees which ones especially love which relationship. So that is also Bab Dada says. So some children, so they very much like making Baba their friend. So this is why there is also a story of Khuda Dost, God as a friend. So Bab Dada says, at any time, whichever relationship you need, you can make Baba belong to you in that relationship. So you can fulfill all relationships with him. Children said, Baba is mine. And what did father say? I am yours.
माता पिता सद्गुरु सखा तुम्हें तो एक हमारे हो, शिक्षक तुम्हें रक्षक तुम्हें दिल के तुम्हें सहारे हो, मिला सारे रिश्तों का प्यार तुमसे।
ओम शांति अव्यक्ति परिवार में
Om
आपका
Shanti.
स्वागत
Welcome
है। आज
everyone
है
to
दिन
Abhyakti
24
Parivar. Today is
अपनी
day 24.
शक्तिशाली मनसा द्वारा
With your
सकाश
powerful
देने
mind
की सेवा
to the
करो।
service of giving Sakash.
आज का विषय है बेहद
And today's
विश्व
topic is
कल्याणकारी
unlimited world
अव्यक्तिशाली।
benefactors. And the signal for
जितना
today
स्वयं को
is
मनसा सेवा में बिजी
the
रखेंगे,
busier you keep
उतना
yourself in
सहज
serving
माया
with your
जीत बन
mind,
जाएंगे।
that much more easily will you
सिर्फ
become
स्वयं
a
के प्रति
conqueror of
भावुक
Maya.
नहीं बनो,
Don't be just
लेकिन
passionate
औरों के
about
भी शुभ भावना
yourself,
और
but
शुभ कामना
also
द्वारा
do the service of
परिवर्तित
transforming
करने की
others
सेवा
with
करो।
your good wishes and pure
भावना और
feelings.
ज्ञान, स्नेह और
So
योग
let there
दोनों
be a
का
balance
बैलेंस
of
हो।
those pure feelings with
कल्याणकारी तो
this
बने हो,
knowledge,
अब
love and
बेहद
yoga.
विश्व
So you have
कल्याणकारी
become
बनो।
benefactors.
अभी
Now
हम माया
become
दीदी से सुनेंगे।
unlimited world benefactors. And now we'll be listening to Didi.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
सभी ठीक हैं बाबा के बच्चे?
Are you all okay? All Baba's children, are you all okay?
हमारा हर
It's very
संकल्प
good. So, our every
समझने का
thought,
चाहे व्यर्थ है,
even the thought is powerful
उसकी
or
वाइब्रेशन
waste, but every
सारे विश्व
thought
को
has
पहुंचती है।
vibration and it reaches to the whole world.
बेशक हम सोचते हैं कि नहीं, शायद सामने
So,
वाले व्यक्ति के पास है, नहीं,
if we think that, oh, is it
इस
reaching to
यूनिवर्स में
everybody or not?
जो
No.
भी संकल्प होता है
In this universe, every
उसकी
thought,
वाइब्रेशन
whoever is creating a thought, the
इसलिए
vibration
बाबा
is
कहता है कि ऐसा
just
सोचो
radiating
जो
out to the
बेहद का हो
universe. So
और
that's why
जिससे विश्व
Baba
कल्याण
tells us
संभव हो।
to think about
ब्रह्मा
something which
बाबा
is
तो
very
कई उदाहरण
powerful, which
सुनाते
is
हैं कि
unlimited, and which is for benefit of everyone.
बाबा जब भी कोई पुण्य काम
So,
करता था, दान करता था,
Brahma Baba, whenever
तो
he
कहता था
used
कि
to do
इसका जो फल है
something which is
वो
like
सारे विश्व
charitable
को मिलेगा।
action, so he used to say that
बाबा कभी
the
ये नहीं कहता था कि मुझे मिले
result
या
of
तुम हो,
this the
वो ये
should
कहता था कि इस
be
कर्म का
received
फल
by the whole
सारे
world,
विश्व
by
को होना चाहिए।
everyone, each and every
हमेशा बाबा
soul,
के
not
अंदर ये
just me.
भावना
So
रहती
Baba
थी
had this pure feeling
कि
for
सारे ही
everybody,
मानव हैं, सभी में
every
एनर्जी है इतनी
time,
बड़ी,
that all
सब
human
तक
beings,
सुख
they should
पहुंचे, शांति
receive
पहुंचे।
happiness, they should receive this love,
इसलिए प्रार्थना
peace.
भी जब करते हैं ना तो
So
कहेंगे
also
सर्व
in
का
the
भला,
path of devotion, when
तो
they
सर्व का
do
भला
prayers, they
तो
say
सारा
that
विश्व आ जाता
everyone
है।
should be benefited. And
तो
everyone, when they
ऐसे
say, it
सभी
means the
आत्माएं,
whole world, all the
जितने भी
souls.
धर्म हैं,
So
कितने
all
प्रकार
the
की भाषाएं हैं,
religions, all the
परंतु वहाँ सब
languages,
आत्माएं और एक ही बाबा के
whoever
बच्चे
is
हैं,
there,
सभी
but they are
आत्माएं।
all souls. They are
इस
all
समय चाहे
Baba's
जिन जिन धर्म
children.
में हैं,
Maybe right now
लेकिन
they
जब
are in
आत्माएं
different
हैं
religions,
तो एक शिव बाबा की
but
संतान है,
as they are
तो
souls, they are
सबका
all
स्वधर्म शांति
Baba's
है, घर
children,
एक है,
and their original
सबका
religion
घर
is
एक है,
peace.
एक
Their
परम धाम।
home is
ये नहीं
one
कि हर एक का अलग अलग है।
supreme abode. It's not
इसलिए
like
आज
they
बाबा कह रहे हैं
live in different homes. No, everyone has
कि
one
बेहद
home. All
विश्व
souls have
कल्याणकारी
one home, supreme abode. So that is why
जितना
Baba is
स्वयं को
saying
मनसा
that
सेवा में बिजी
the
रखें,
busier you keep yourself in serving with your mind,
कर्म करते हुए भी मनसा
so
सेवा
as
होती
you are
रहती है,
coming
बोलते
into
हुए भी हो
action,
सकती है ना,
just keep serving through your mind. While
कोई अलग से
speaking,
मनसा
keep
सेवा नहीं,
serving through your mind.
सारा दिन
You don't
सवेरे से
have to
रात
take
तक
out time separately for
शुद्ध
doing
संकल्प
service
हो,
with your
अच्छी
mind. No,
भावनाएं हो,
it's just having
तो
pure
मनसा
thoughts,
सेवा है।
pure
तो
feelings.
बाबा कहते
That
हैं
is
जितना
serving through your
मनसा सेवा
mind.
में
So that's what
बिजी
Baba is saying.
रखेंगे,
The
उतना
busier you keep
सहज
yourself in
माया जीत ली
serving with
जाएगी।
your mind, that much more easily will you
माया क्या
become a
करती है?
conqueror of Maya. So, what does
पहले
Maya
तो निश्चय
do?
हमारा अटल होना
So,
चाहिए,
our faith should be
निश्चय हमारा दृढ़ होना
unshakable.
चाहिए,
We
और
should have
माया कोशिश
determination
करेगी
in
थोड़ा
that, but
थोड़ा
Maya will
हमको
come to
भगाने
shake
की।
us, to shake us.
इसलिए हमको अपने
So, that
निश्चय को
is why our
रोज
faith
उसमें दृढ़ता लानी है।
should have determination, and we should
मुझे
practice
निश्चय
that,
है, हाँ
work on
बराबर,
that, that I have
पर
complete
दृढ़ता
faith,
लाएंगे ना उसमें
but add
तो अटल
determination to
रहेगा।
that, then it will become strong,
तो
firm,
इसलिए दृढ़ता भी
unshakable.
रोज लानी पड़ती है।
So that's why
सब
this
स्वयं के
practice is
प्रति
also
भावुक
needed.
नहीं,
So don't be passionate
लेकिन औरों
about
के प्रति
this
भी शुभ
just
भावना,
for
शुभ
yourself,
कामना
but also do the service of
द्वारा
transforming
परिवर्तन
others
करने की
with
सेवा
your
करो।
good wishes and pure feelings.
कई बार हम करते, मैंने तो इसके प्रति
Sometimes we
बहुत भावनाएं
practice
रखी,
that, oh, we
कोई
say,
फर्क तो
oh,
नहीं
we
दिखाई दिया,
kept so
ऐसा तो
much
नहीं हुआ,
like
नहीं।
pure feelings for this
आपकी कभी
soul,
भी
good
शुभ
wishes
भावना
for this
व्यर्थ
soul.
नहीं जाएगी, कभी नहीं
So,
जाएगी।
and you feel like, oh, but
कभी कभी
it's not
देर हो जाती
working.
है,
No,
लेकिन होगी
sometimes
जरूर
it can be
सफल।
delayed,
तो
but
बाबा
it will
कहते
not
हैं कि
go for
भावना
waste. So
और
that's what
ज्ञान,
Baba is saying, that
स्नेह,
let there be a
और
balance
योग,
of those pure
सबका
feelings
बैलेंस
with
हो।
this knowledge, love, and
भावना और
yoga.
ज्ञान,
So,
स्नेह और
pure feelings with this
योग।
knowledge, love, and yoga. The balance of everything.
आजकल वास्तव में ज्ञान की बहुत जरूरत है, समझ
So, at
आना,
this present time, the knowledge is very much
निर्णय
needed,
करना,
wisdom
कुछ भी
to
करते हैं उसमें समझ
decide
चाहिए।
For anything, we need knowledge.
लौकिक रूप से पढ़ाई
We
होती है,
need
उसकी समझ
wisdom.
होती है।
So,
हमारे
in
पास वो
Lokik
लौकिक
also,
अलौकिक
if
दोनों
we are
समझ होनी
studying,
चाहिए।
we need wisdom at that
तो
time too.
भावना
So,
और
for
ज्ञान
us,
का
for
बैलेंस,
Brahmins, we need both Lokik,
स्नेह और योग
Alokik
दोनों का
knowledge.
बैलेंस करें।
So, this balance is very much needed, love and yoga.
स्नेह, योग में स्नेह, दोनों हो।
So,
बाबा
while doing
कहते हैं
yoga,
कि
there should be love.
कल्याणकारी तो
So,
बने
you
हैं,
have become
अब
benefactors,
बेहद
now
विश्व
become
कल्याणकारी बने।
unlimited world benefactors.
कल्याणकारी तो बने
You
हैं,
have become benefactors, but now
तो ऐसे सोचो ना जैसे
become
सूरज
unlimited
की
world
किरण है,
benefactor. Think
चांदनी
like
रोशनी
sun,
है,
like sun rays are
फिर
everywhere.
एक आत्मा के
The
अंदर से जो
moon's
कुछ भी
light is everywhere.
संकल्प उत्पन्न होते
So,
हैं,
whatever
हम
thought
सोचते हैं
that I'm
हम एक
creating,
व्यक्ति के लिए या
we
जहाँ
feel
रहते हैं
that,
वहाँ के
oh, we are
वातावरण के
doing it
लिए,
for one person or the atmosphere
परंतु
that
वास्तव में वो
is
सारे विश्व
surrounding
के लिए है।
my surroundings, but
ऐसा
no,
अटेंशन
it's for the
रखेंगे
whole world.
तो मेरे ख्याल से
So when
और
we keep
अटेंशन रहेगी हमें,
such a attention,
कि मेरा
then
ये
I
संकल्प ऐसा ना
think
हो कि कहीं कहाँ जाकर के पहुंच जाए।
then
तो
this
इसलिए
will
हर
work.
संकल्प
So
शुभ
that
भावना
is why
शुभ कामनाओं
every
वाला हो।
thought is
कभी भी
of
किसी के प्रति,
good wish and
पहले
pure
होता था
feelings.
ज्ञान से पहले, अच्छा
So
आपने ये
before
किया, अभी
knowledge,
देखना आपके साथ
we
भी
used to think differently, like, oh, if you have done like this,
आपको भी पता चलेगा
something
जब
should
आपको
happen to
भगवान
you.
देगा नहीं।
You should
हम ऐसा
also face
सोचते
the
ही नहीं है,
consequences of what you are doing.
क्योंकि
So
अपना
those
भाई है,
kind of
अपनी
thoughts. But
बहन है,
now we don't think like
तो
that.
सब
We
एक
think,
ही
oh, she
परिवार
is
के हैं,
also my sister, is also
तो
my
कोई भी
brother.
दुखी
So
क्यों
we
हो,
all belong to one family. No
किसी
should
के साथ भी बुरा क्यों,
ever experience any sorrow,
तो
any
सबके प्रति
sadness,
शुभ भावना
any
रखने
pain.
से
So just have pure feelings, good wishes
कल्याण
for
होता है।
everybody, everybody.
और अभी तो बाबा कह रहे हैं
So
कि
that is what Baba
विश्व
is
का
saying now, say
कल्याण करना
that
है,
we have
तो
to
बाबा
benefit
हमको
the
ऊंचा
whole
ले जाते
world. So
हैं,
Baba
बेहद
is
लेने जाते हैं
uplifting us, taking us
कि अभी
into
चलो
unlimited. That
हाथ में मिल
now
जाओ,
let's go, don't go into
क्योंकि
the
छोटा
limits.
छोटी जो अपरिस्थिति
So
परीक्षाएं आती हैं,
yeah, there are some situations,
परिस्थिति एक
small or
परीक्षा है,
big. So these are all test
तो
papers that
परीक्षा में
comes in
पास
front
होना
of you. So what is our role to pass in such
तो
test
वो बहुत
papers?
आवश्यक है ना, क्योंकि
That is
फिर
very much
आगे
needed.
बढ़ेंगे, फिर
So
और
then
आगे
only
बढ़ेंगे।
we'll move forward,
तो इसलिए सदा
progress in
अपने
our
को विश्व
spiritual life.
कल्याणकारी समझे।
So always just have this feeling that you are unlimited world benefactors.
अव्यक्त मुरली
Om
रिवीजन
Shanti.
1969 से
So
ज्ञान
Avyakt
के
Murli
रतन
revision from
और स्नेह के
1969
मोती
onwards. Jewels of knowledge and pearls of love.
अव्यक्तवाणी तारीख है 9
Avyakt
फरवरी
Murli, and the
1975।
date is February
आध्यात्मिक
9,
शक्तियों द्वारा
1975.
विश्व परिवर्तन कैसे
How world transformation can take
स्वयं
place
को
through
अशरीरी
spiritual
आत्मा
power.
अनुभव करते हो।
So, do you consider yourself to be
इससे
bodiless soul?
शरीर द्वारा जो चाहे
Do you
वही कर्म
experience
कराने
yourself to
वाले
be powerful soul
तुम
who
शक्तिशाली
makes
आत्मा
your
हो,
body perform whatever
ऐसा
action
अनुभव
you
करते
want?
हो।
Are you able to stabilize
इस
yourself in the
शरीर के
form of
मालिक
being the
कर्मेंद्रियों
master
द्वारा
of your body?
कर्म कराने वाले
One who makes the
इन
physical
कर्मेंद्रियों से
organs
जब चाहो
perform
तब
actions
न्यारे
and who then
स्वरूप
become
की स्थिति में
detached from those
स्थित
physical
हो
organs
सकते
when
हो।
you want. That is,
अर्थात राजयोग
have
की
you
सिद्धि
attained the success of Raj Yoga,
कर्मेंद्रियों के
which is the
राजा
power to be ruler of the
बनने की
physical
शक्ति प्राप्त
organs?
की है।
A ruler or a
राजा
master
व मालिक
can never
कभी
be
भी
influenced by any
कोई
physical
कर्मेंद्रिय के
organ.
वशीभूत नहीं हो सकता। वशीभूत होने
So
वाले को
someone who
मालिक
is
नहीं कहा
influenced
जाता।
cannot be called a master.
विश्व के मालिक की संतान होने के नाते
So you are the
जब बाप
children
विश्व
of
का
the
मालिक हो और
master,
बच्चे अपनी कर्मेंद्रियों के मालिक न हो तो
and
क्या
if
कहेंगे?
father is the master and children they are
मालिक के
not,
मालिक कहेंगे। नाम हो मास्टर
what would you
सर्वशक्तिमान
say if the child were not a
और
master of his
स्वयं
even
को
his
मालिक
own
समझकर
physical
चल नहीं
organs? Would you be
सके
called a child
तो
of
क्या
a master?
मास्टर
So
सर्वशक्तिमान
if you are
हुए?
called a master, almighty
हम
authority, and
मास्टर
yet you are
सर्वशक्तिमान
not able to
हैं,
conduct yourself
यह
as
तो
master,
पक्का निश्चय है ना
so are you a master,
कि
almighty
यह
authority?
निश्चय भी अभी हो
You
रहा
have the
है।
firm faith that you
निश्चय
are a
में
master,
कभी
almighty
परसेंटेज होती
authority,
है
do you
क्या?
not? Or are you such
बाप के बच्चे तो
developing,
है ही ना,
are you still developing this faith?
ऐसे थोड़े ही
So can there be a
90%
percentage in your
और
faith?
10%
You are a
नहीं
child
है।
of the Father, are you not? You would
ऐसा
not
बच्चा
say
कभी
that
देखा है?
you are 90% his
निश्चय
child and
अर्थात
10% not.
100% निश्चय।
So if there is faith,
ऐसे
faith means
100%
100%
निश्चय
faith.
बुद्धि बच्चों की पहली निशानी
So what is the
क्या
sign
होंगी?
of those who have 100% faith in Father?
निश्चय बुद्धि की
So
पहली
the first
निशानी
sign
क्या?
of one who has faith
विजय
in
है।
the intellect is victory.
कहावत भी है,
It is also said
निश्चय
that those who
बुद्धि
have faith
विजयंती।
in the intellect are victorious.
विजय मिलेंगी कैसे?
How will
निश्चय
you
से।
attain victory? Through
तो
faith.
निरंतर इस निश्चय
So
की
do you
स्मृति
constantly
की
have the awareness that
मैं
you
मास्टर
are a
सर्वशक्तिवान
master
हूँ,
almighty authority
यह स्मृति
and also
रहेगी।
have faith in this awareness?
स्मृति के बिना
How
समर्थी
can
थोड़ी
there
ही
be
आएंगी।
power without this awareness?
विजयी होने का
The
आधार
foundation
है
of being
स्मृति।
victorious is
अगर
awareness.
स्मृति कमजोर
If
होंगी,
your awareness is weak,
निरंतर नहीं
if it is
होंगी
neither constant
और
nor
स्मृति
powerful,
पावरफुल नहीं होंगी,
then how would you
तो विजयी
become
कैसे होंगी?
victorious?
तो पहले
So,
इस निश्चय
first
को
of
सदा
all, you
स्मृति
have to
स्वरूप
become an
बनाना
embodiment
पड़ता है।
of awareness in
अच्छा,
having faith.
आगे की मुरली कल सुनेंगे।
Okay,
ओम
rest of the Murli
शांति।
we'll listen to it tomorrow. Om Shanti.